Today, I'm going to show you how to create amazing text effects in Canva, step by step, so your designs really pop. Let's get started. First, open Canva and select your canvas size. Before adding any text, let's choose a background color. Click on the background, then go to the color picker and select your desired color. I'm going with this nice, vibrant shade for our text to stand out. Next, go to the Text tab on the left and click on Add a Heading. Type your text once. Your text is added. Adjust it on the canvas to fit the space you want. Now, let's change the font. I'm using the Archivo black font. You can also adjust letter spacing to make it look perfect. Make sure your text is centered and balanced on the canvas. Now, copy the text. We're going to apply the effects to one layer. Select the copied text and click on Effects at the top. Select the hollow effect. Adjust the thickness to make the outline just right. If the effect doesn't look perfect, slightly move the text to make it fit. Keep adjusting until it looks clean and sharp. Next, go to Elements and select a shape. Click on it. Rotate and adjust it slightly to give your text a more dynamic look. And change its color to match your background. Now, click on the shape and go to the Layer menu. Click on Show Layer to see all layers. Place the shape behind the text and make sure the text is perfectly centered over it. Then, adjust the shapes as needed to balance the design and make everything look neat. This will give your text a professional, polished effect. And that's it. A clean and stylish text effect in Canva. Try experimenting with different fonts, shapes, and colors to make it unique. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva tips.